Placement Cell bridges the gap between education and career success.
Our placement cell provides training for aptitudes, communication, and interview skills. We are trained to meet industrial expectations.
Participated in group discussion, mock interviews, and skill development sessions.
Our placement cell connects students with top companies. We are guided step by step to prepare for placements. This helps us build confidence for our careers.
Many students get placed in reputed organizations. Here we are prepared for a successful professional journey.
Admission open now. Placement Cell, your gateway to a successful career.